Yo, what's good people, it's Cactus, and in today's video, I'm going to be making an Indian influenced drill beat. I've been getting a lot of requests for this in my comments and in my DMs, and I know Ocean did one recently too, and he definitely killed it, so if you haven't seen that video, definitely check that out. I was thinking of starting something from scratch, but when I had a look into the scales, it's a little bit more complicated than Western scales, so I didn't want to do something without fully educating myself on it first, so I might do that video in the future. I think today I'm just going to look for some kind of loop or maybe a sample that I can flip and go from there, so I won't waste any more time. I'll jump straight into it. Alright, so I was looking through YouTube trying to find some samples and I found this one here. I'm not even going to try and pronounce it, but I can't even play it either because I know YouTube are funny with playing other people's music. Sometimes you can get videos taken down or you can't monetize from it, or I don't really know, so I didn't want to risk it. But basically in the beginning, if you just type in this song on YouTube, there's a sick guitar melody at the beginning, and rather than sampling it, I'm actually going to recreate it because it might get a bit repetitive and I want to change the bass notes just to add some variation. So I'm just going to quickly remake it. So I think it's in C minor. Yeah, I think this is it. Yeah, I think that's it. If you type in the sample, listen to the sample, and then listen to this. But for variation, what I wanted to do is change up the bass notes. So in the sample, it's just playing C. Like this, but because it's just a simple melody and it isn't really like a chord progression, if you get me, I can change the bass note, so I can bring this one down and then do the same for the next one. Now it just switches it up, but I need to play it quick because drill's around 140. This might sound real fast. I'll roll with it. Let's try halftime on it as well. Yeah, as an underlayer. Yeah, it sounds hard. And then to mix it, I'm going to use Guitar Rig. It's just got the best presets for guitars. You can't really go wrong with Guitar Rig. I like this preset, but I'm going to dial back the mix level. Yeah, just make it subtle. Now I'm just going to adjust the velocity. Just make it a bit more natural. And maybe just move some of the notes so it's not so on grid. I'm also feeling this Prince in the Rain preset. Because the other one I used was a bit like Crystallizer. But I think this just makes the actual guitar sound better. I'm going to try out Crystallizer as well. See how this is sounding. Yeah, that sounds hard. I want to filter this one out. Let me see what it sounds like without Crystallizer. Yeah, I think these two blend well together. And then this could come back in. Maybe just in the middle of the verse or towards the end. And I might even use that instead of the flute. Alright, I found these two vocals in Splice as well.
Namaste.
This one's already tuned to C. This one's B flat, so I can pitch this up 200. I can chop and change these though. Definitely mix them. I'm going to send them to the same mix bus. So I'm just blending in the wet and dry level. So it sounds like it's got two layers, and then definitely some reverb. Quite a bit to push it into the background. And then an EQ to filter it out. You know what? I might try something different. I might take out the reverb. I'll keep this on and I'm going to try a different plugin. I'm going to use Spaced Out. It's got some crazy echo and reverb effects. Yeah, it sounds kind of mad. Nah, this isn't the area you want to see. What? I don't even know what that means. The project has crashed, ended. I hope that shit saved. Nah, this is all it saved. That is all it saved. Fuck's sake. This is why you need to be hitting Control and S at least every couple of minutes, because even the autosave is failing when it opens. I can't even remember what arcade bank I was using. The vocals and everything. Oh, this might be it. The meditation one. Yeah, that was it. That was it. I can remember the pattern. And then the reason I opened the arcade was because I found a percussion bank earlier that I wanted to use. So I need to somehow find that again. This was it, I think. I'm gonna mute the vocals for now and start putting in the drums and then bring them back. Yeah, it sounds crazy. But now I can work on the rest of the drums. Yeah, that might sound better. Half time. Alright, so I spent a bit of time on the 808s and this is the pattern I came up with. Starts off a bit simple. That end bit sounds hard though. And then for the kick, I'm just going to follow the 808 pattern. Alright, so in the new pack, I've got quite a lot of these perks. I like this one though. Just fits perfect anywhere. And I want to add this reversing as well. So far, this is how everything's sounding. So I think it's sounding hard. It's starting to sound a bit busy, so I'm going to start arranging it. I'll mix it properly and then I'll show you the outcome. All right, so the beat's pretty much finished the mix, and to be honest, I changed a lot. I got rid of the first vocals that I had. I think they were slightly out of key, or I just weren't really feeling them. So I've swapped them. I've added a few other bits, changed up the 8/8 patterns a little bit, added a grind bass, and yo, it sounds completely different. But I'm gonna show you what I've got. So for the intro, I added halftime to the main guitar, and then these are the new vocals. I found some Indian vocals on Splice, just fit perfect. Changed the pitch, and then copied it across. And then the 8/8 comes in, sounding mean. And then these other vocals. That's the only time I use the grind bass. And the vocals come back in just before the hook. So I've just copied the vocals for the hook. And you can hear the guitar's got a little bit of halftime on. And then the second verse starts a little bit different. So it just calms down now. The drop's just nasty. And then it basically repeats the same as the first verse. So I've added a lot of variation with the different 8/8 patterns and breaks in the drums just to switch it up. So I hope you liked the video and I hope you're feeling the beat. I can't lie, this one was kind of long to make. The project crashed on me halfway through. The autosave file didn't work. And then I kept on changing my mind with things. You saw when I was making the beat, I was adding arcade, different vocals, and then I pretty much took all of them out. But yo, the beat came out kind of fire. Let me know what you guys think and let me know if you want me to do any other challenges as well. But once again, thank you for watching and I'll see you next time.